Got a box. Got a box. Woo! Got a box. You got a box? Alright, well, welcome back, folks. Got some more viewer mail here in the form of a package, really, more than it is a box, I guess. So, let's get right into it, see what this is. I'm going to turn it over so I don't dox anyone, because it's got all the goodies right there. And I'm going to keep that private for the sender's security. This was sent, I can't tell you his name. He told me I could tell you his first name. His first name's Alex. And Alex, I can already tell you thank you, man, but we're going to open it up and see what it is. And if he's got a YouTube channel, I'll check with him first. And if it's okay, and he even has a YouTube channel, I'll link you to it in the description below. But I'm going to get you and bring you over here, and we're going to get into this thing and see what it is. It seems like he told me what it was. I'm thinking, I'll just go ahead and tell you. I'm thinking he said it was some kind of light where you look down inside an acoustic guitar or acoustic bass or whatever you're looking inside of. So anyways, come on over, come in, grab you some chips and a drink and some smoke, and we'll get right into it. Well, what's been going on, folks? How you guys and gals making it? Let's see now. Maybe I can do this. Yeah, that works. Put the knife away before I hurt myself. Hope everybody's doing good. Having a great time. I mowed the grass. It's been like 3 days ago now. Something like that. Cut the grass. And it was like 90-some degrees. 90 degrees or some crap, man. Nearing the middle of October. And the grass is still even growing. And now tonight, it's like, been getting down in the 30s at night. Cut that really well. It's cold in here now. I haven't even turned the heat on yet. Oh, there's a love letter popped out. I think I can read this to you. Randy, I thought this might help with your videos. Something versus patrons, I review. And if you don't mind, hold on, Alex. I'll hold it up there, maybe you guys can read it. I can't tell what that one word versus patrons is. You can pause the video if I didn't hold it there long enough. So, give us patrons a preview. I think that's what it says. I'm not saying a word on that. I hear you, man. An old chubby lard ass too. Especially him. Wow. Alright, what do we got here? Wow, this looks pretty cool. Inner Bright LED test light, guitar and cello model. I don't think I've ever seen one of these. Wow. Yeah, man, had to cut the grass. 90 degrees in October. I've never seen that like that before. Or if I do, I don't remember it ever seeing that kind of heat in October. Wow, this is really cool, man. Check that out. I don't know how it works. Probably should read the instructions. I've never seen a light quite like this. Oh, now I'm beginning to see how it works. Is that a rubber band? Yeah, it is. I don't know if that's supposed to be left on there or not. Okay, so I know I should read the instructions. These, I'm assuming, they look like little chips. I see chips in there. Let me hold it up there where you can see it. They look like IC chips inside of it. Inner Bright, patent pending. Alright. I gotta remove that. Wow, yeah. Scared me a little bit. Just like it did when I got thinking about my coverage area compared to the tri-state news people. Well, that's cool, man. Tell you what, let's put that in this guitar here. Because I can get it in there really easy with the strings on it even. And I'll get you. In fact, let me see. You can't see the guitar too good. I need a freaking cameraman, man. I'll put it down in the guitar, and then I'll get you. See if we can see anything. Let me straighten it out here just a little bit. You know, I imagine, I don't know if them's double A's or, yeah, they are double A's. I was going to say, I imagine those big batteries, check that out, man, those batteries are huge. I mean, for this little light, I was going to say, I imagine this will burn a very long time off of those batteries. Just because it's LEDs, they don't use any electric, so to speak. That's probably far enough to see. Yeah, I can't get my hand in there. It's tuned up to pitch. Shit, I need something. A nice pick. I'll just ram it down into the guitar. There we go. Alright. I'll tell you what, if I could get a mirror in there, I can't do it though, with strings on it. Well, I'm going to get you though, and we're going to shine that back in there and have a look, so hold on. Of course, if I had a mirror down in there, and we were looking down into the mirror back up to the top, this would be way better than pointing the camera right into the light. But you can still see, man, it lights it up in there. Check that out. Oops, sorry. Wow. Yeah, look at them braces. You can see everything. There's the light itself. It's even lighting it up over in there where there is no, where it's not even at. Yeah, stupid camera again. Let's focus on the. Check that out, man, down inside there, how well you can see. Yes, sir. You know what? Remember me telling you about the stuff that was in this guitar up in here and I didn't know what it was? Hold on, let me reposition the light and I'll show you that stuff. Hold on. Alright, show you what we got going on here. Over here's the batteries. Here's the wire going into the light. I got a mirror stuck in here, so I'm going to try to show you that stuff. It kind of looks like glue work. If we can get everything just right, we're looking into the mirror, glancing off of it, back up to the top of the guitar. I think. Yeah, let me get my bearings here a little bit. Stupid camera. There it is. See that black stuff? Yeah, there I think you can see it better. The camera would help us. It would focus. See that? It looks like it's maybe wet. Yeah, I think it's picking it up. Yeah, now you can see it. Now on the other side of that brace, you can see back there, it's a lot worse than that. Now that I look at that, it looks like somebody's done some, I don't know, that brace across there looks like it's been wet actually. Well, that's what I said in the original video. I thought it looked like somebody spilled something in it, but I don't know how we got up there. But you can see how dark that is. Wow, this light is awesome, man. Check out how good you can see in there. Holy shit, that is just wonderful. Finally, I can see inside. That would help the endoscope too. And anyways, there's the black stuff. And like I said, on the other side of that brace, I can't get you a shot of it, I don't think. But it's in there too. It's all over the place, whatever it is. Wow, man, I dig that light. I really dig it. Probably see it better there. There's the on and off switch. And there's the name. I guess that's the name of it. Bright. Very cool. I was just reading through some of this that came with the light. Thought you all might want to hear this. Your new Bright can be easily inserted into a small space. Its 20 leads produce a huge amount of light with little to no heat. That's cool. I like that. The waterproof LED strip is smooth, lightweight, and will not hang up on the inside of the instrument. The LEDs are located on both sides of the strip to radiate light in all directions. Battery life is extremely long. I knew it would be, man. I know electronics. I went to college for that. Man, you guys are awesome sending me stuff like this, and I appreciate it so much. Alex, thank you, man. Thank you very much. It's just amazing. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up on there, but you can see those little IC circuits, ICs, and they're in both sides. And it's very flexible too. And then the big battery box. I knew, man, that it would the batteries were going to last very long on LEDs. So, Alex sinks, man. Wow, that will get used a lot, a whole bunch. You know, like working on mandolins and stuff with tiny F-holes. I can stick this down inside of there, and then stick a little mirror in there. Or I can just stick this in there, and I'll be able to look in the F-hole and see. Upright basses, I get a few of them, not very many. Acoustic bass fiddles, you know what I'm talking about. And that would be nice for that too. So thanks, man. I do appreciate it, and like I say, you'll get the guts used out of it. I assure you this. Uh-oh. Cue ball! I thought I heard her. Cue ball! Woo! Here comes cue ball. I thought I heard you. Woo! You got any love you want to give away today? What's that? Tell our YouTube family. Say, we love you. What? How's that? Say again. They've been asking about you, want to see you. Well, you ain't like the way you're sitting there. Now you can do it. We love you. Easy. Take it easy. What is it? What? It's going to get out of hand. We love you. Oh, you can do better than that. Come on. You can do better. What? I love you. I love you. Tell them. We love you. What? Oh, what? What is it? Good girl! Good! We love you! Good! Good girl! Get up in there.